Hey guys, what's up? In this video I will show you how to make these earrings. Support me, please give thumbs up and subscribe on my channel, also comment the video. It's an incentive for me to make new videos. And look at this playlist, link above. There you will find more earrings tutorials. And let's start. I take purple polymer clay and make a foam. Look like an eggplant. I made 2 eggplants and bake them in oven. Fixing fastenings. Next we will use sea salt. Glue salt with a thermal adhesive. Glue salt carefully. Guys, I want to ask you, I'm not from America. It's noticeable in my accent. So, my accent is strong? Vote in the poll above or write your comments, please. And I fixing with super glue to make sure that everything is glued together already. Purple acrylic paint mix with water and apply to the surface with sponge. Finally cover with glossy varnish. Big thanks for watching. I'm really happy that you watched my video. I hope this idea will be useful for you. So, see you soon. Bye!